Today we will be learning origami for Tigger. Before we start, let's learn more about the truth of Tigger. Number 1. When Tigger introduces himself, he refers to himself as Tigger instead of Tiger. He often says the proper way to spell his name is T-I-G-G-E-R. Number 2. Tigger is one of the best friends of Winnie the Pooh. He is an energetic and optimistic stuffed tiger, and though always well-meaning, he can also be mischievous, and his actions have sometimes led to chaos and trouble for himself and his friends. Number 3. Tigger is well known for his love of bouncing. He always says bouncing is what Tiggers do best. Number 4. Tigger made his first appearance in Winnie the Pooh short film in 1968. He has become so popular that he has starred his own movie in 2000. The name is the Tigger movie. Number 5. One of his favorite phrases is, "The most wonderful thing about Tiggers is that I'm the only one." Let's start the origami. Fold and unfold the paper in half. Repeat it vertically. Fold the right side of the paper inward to the center. Repeat the step for the left side. Then repeat it for the top of the paper. Fold it down to the center and then unfold it. Fold and unfold both left and right side of the paper inwards along the dotted line. Do the same to the top of the paper. This time you don't have to unfold it. Repeat for both right and left sides. Fold the upper corner inwards to form a triangle. Open up the paper. Push the corner outwards. Turn the paper over. Fold the paper up along the dotted line. Then turn it over again. Lift up the corner and push it flat. Repeat it to the left corner. Fold the paper down along the dotted line. Fold the corner inwards along the dotted line. You will see a triangle. Continue folding the paper along the dotted lines. We are now folding to make the ears. We will use yellow colored paper to make the ears. It's easy. Fold the paper in half. Make sure the yellow paper fit nicely. Use glue to keep it in place. Make a small fold on each side. We will need another yellow color paper. This is to make the face. Fold and unfold the paper in half both ways. Follow closely, and we are almost there. Fold the bottom of the paper up. And then fold it back down. Now we use glue to paste it. Draw the eyebrows, eyes, nose, and mouth.